name is Sarah, and I'm about to show you how a bimodal sand mixture tends to separate into laminae under the influence of gravity. Here I have a homemade mixture of 1 and 3 Phi sand. The sand is from a variety of sources, but most of it came from the Carolina sandhills. Carolina sandhill sand is very poorly sorted, with significant mica and clay content, so removing all of the extra constituents was difficult. The 1 Phi sand was then stained purple with PVC primer and was lightly crushed to remove any large clumps. 80 grams of each Phi size was then measured and mixed together in this water bottle, totaling approximately 160 grams. I will perform 2 sets of trials by pouring the sand into this funnel and observing what happens when it falls into the beaker below. For my first trials, the rim of the funnel is about 35 centimeters above the base of the ring stand. For my second trials, the rim of the funnel is about 50 centimeters above the base of the ring stand. I added this paper tube to prevent the sand from falling outside the beaker. While the tube appears primitive, it allows the sand to fall into the beaker with minimal obstruction. Let's see what happens. These 2 sets of tests illustrate that a bimodal sand mixture separates into laminae when poured from different heights. You may have noticed that the lamination formed in these tests was not incredibly distinct. That may be due to the fact that some other grain sizes, especially fines, were unable to be separated from the mixture. Also, because the amount of each grain size was determined by mass and not volume, the final mixture contained more 3 than 1 Phi sand. This may explain why the tan-colored 3 Phi sand appears to overpower the purple 1 Phi sand. This separation probably occurs because of a process called kinetic sieving. The larger grains have more momentum, so they are somehow sorted into layers through the free fall. Geologists need to investigate this principle more closely because it could have significant implications for the rapid formation of laminated strata in the rock record.